Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. Again, we have another beautiful Saint Laurent for you today. So this is the Saint Laurent Lou camera bag. It is absolutely gorgeous, really beautiful. Perfect little summer bag or just a general lovely day bag really. And it's in this lovely, they call it dark beige. So it's a lovely colour and with that nice pattern on it as well. And it's in that kind of like camera shape bag, which is really popular at the moment. So it's a really cool bag. It's got a nice canvas material, black canvas on the inside, and we have one flat pocket there with the logo as well, just there, Saint Laurent logo on the inside. And then it's got that lovely YSL gold hardware. It's almost like an antique kind of gold hardware, looks slightly brushed. So that's on the front there, and then it's got some hardware there and an adjustable strap, which is nice and easy to use. I'll show you in a minute. And you can have it quite long. I've got it on one of the shorter settings at the moment, but it will go longer, so that's quite useful as well. I'll just show you the size for reference. Oh, it also has, before I go on to that, a removable tassel. So as you can see, that's nice and easy to remove, and that has the hardware and logo on it as well, which is really cute. Love that. So yeah, for your reference, I'll just stand back up to show you the size. So I'm a UK size 12, size 10, and that's kind of what it looks like on me. That's it as a shoulder. Obviously it's really nice to wear as a crossbody, so you can be hands free. Yeah, it's really beautiful. It goes with lots of things, with the colour being the way it is as well. So that was kind of helpful for the size. I'll just show you what it comes with. So we've got the Saint Laurent envelope. We've got a control card. Then we've got care cards. And then we have another Saint Laurent card as well with some of the details on there. You've got a Saint Laurent dust bag. And then it came with a Net-a-Porter box as well, so that comes with the bag. And it's got some tissue paper on the inside as well, so that's quite useful. So that's what it comes with. We'll just talk about the conditions. So for this bag, it is a beautiful bag. We have called everything very good. So yeah, it's in very good condition, almost excellent. You can just see there's like a little dip in the soft leather there. That is literally it. Everything else about it is very good condition, so that's why we've called it that. And I'll just show you, like I said, it's nice and easy to adjust the strap, so you just go like this and like that, and then you can tighten it. That's on the tighter setting now, so that's nice and easy. Hardly feels like that's been used at all. So yeah, so that's now on the shorter setting. So yeah, really beautiful little bag. So if you would like the exact measurements for this bag, there should be a link in our description for you to be able to click, and it will take you straight to this bag, and there you'll be able to find the measurements. But if it doesn't take you to this bag and it just takes you to our generic product page, that does mean this bag has sold, so I'm sorry about that. But if you would like to know if we get any more of these in, we can add you to our request list. So you can either fill out a form on our website, or you can email us in the email below, and we'll help you out with that. But while you're there on our website, please sign up to our newsletter, and you'll be able to get your Welcome 5 discount. So that's really helpful with your first purchase, so that's worth it. But yeah, please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you can see more Saint Laurent and other brands as well with us. And if you do have any beautiful bags like this to sell, please get in contact with us and check out the information on our website on how to do that. Okay, so hope you all have a lovely day. Bye.